Have you ever thought about freelancing, dreamed of being your own boss, setting your own schedule and pursuing your passion on your own terms? Well, you're not alone. Millions around the world are turning to freelancing as a viable, fulfilling career option. But how does one start freelancing? Let's explore. First, identify your skill or talent. This could be anything from writing and graphic design to programming or consulting. The beauty of freelancing is that it can be done in virtually any industry. So, take a moment to think about what you're good at and how you can offer this as a service. Second, create a portfolio. This is a collection of your work that showcases your skills and talents. It's your chance to shine and show potential clients what you can do. Include samples of your work, client testimonials, and any relevant qualifications or certifications. Remember, this is your first impression, so make it count. Third, join a freelancing platform. These are websites that connect freelancers with clients looking for their services. Some popular options include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Each site has its own set of rules and procedures, but generally, you create a profile, add your portfolio, and start bidding on projects or jobs that match your skills and interests. Fourth, build your reputation. In the freelancing world, your reputation is everything. Deliver high-quality work on time, communicate effectively with clients, and always strive to exceed expectations. Positive reviews and ratings will attract more clients and allow you to charge higher rates. Fifth, manage your finances. As a freelancer, you're running your own business. This means you're responsible for invoicing clients, tracking expenses, and paying taxes. It's essential to stay organized and keep accurate records. Consider using accounting software or hiring a professional to help. Finally, never stop learning. The freelancing world is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends in your industry, invest in professional development, and always be open to new opportunities. In summary, starting a freelancing career involves identifying your skills, creating a portfolio, joining a freelancing platform, building your reputation, managing your finances, and continually learning and growing. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards, but with determination and the right mindset, you can build a successful freelancing career. So, what are you waiting for? Start your freelancing journey today.